In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove your profile picture in Microsoft Teams 2025. Whether you're looking to update your professional appearance or just want a clean slate, I'll guide you through the process with simple and easy to follow steps. So let's dive right in and get started with this quick and straightforward tutorial. First, open up your browser and navigate to the Microsoft Teams app by typing in the address bar or simply search for Microsoft Teams. Once the home page loads, you'll need to log into your account if you haven't done that already. Make sure you've got everything ready because in just a few moments, you'll have a fresh looking profile. Now that you're logged in and set on the main page, let's move to the next step. Direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. Here, you'll spot your current profile picture prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. You'll notice a small pop-up window appearing below your picture, providing you with additional options. Don't hesitate and click on your profile picture once more because that's going to bring us to the crucial part of today's task. In the pop-up window that appears now, you're going to see an option labeled Remove. Clicking on that is what will effectively take away your current profile picture. This step is pretty much at the heart of our goal today. Once you do that, the system will require you to confirm your action by clicking Save. By doing so, it not only removes your existing picture but ensures that your profile reflects this change immediately. It's as simple as it sounds and just that quick. There you have it, a fresh, new, and clean profile ready for you to make the impression you desire. Wasn't that easy? Now you can go about your business knowing that your profile aligns perfectly with the image you want to project. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. If you ever decide you want to add a new image in the future, you can repeat the process and instead of removing your picture, use the option to upload a new one. It's always a good idea to have an updated photo, especially in a professional setting like Microsoft Teams. Thanks for joining me in this guide on how to remove your profile picture in Microsoft Teams 2025. I appreciate you taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you found the instructions clear and helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy teaming!